Welcome. In this video, we'll unbox the GARMIN Varia RearVue 820 and we'll see what's inside the box. Okay, so let's get to it. Open the box. And what we have here. So we have the plastic grip to mount the radar unit on our bicycle. Then inside, okay, I opened it upside down, that's why it's here. Let's open it from another side. Okay, now here we have the radar unit itself. Let's get it out. Okay, the radar unit, we have the USB-C under the lid on the back side. We have the power button, short press power button to activate or deactivate your unit, and hold it down for about 2 seconds to put it into pairing mode. As you can see, the pairing mode is indicated by the purple blinking LED color. Okay, my smartphone has already detected it. Now, what else we have here? We have the silicone pads, which we have 3 and you can choose one of them. Now they all are applied to our mount like this, and yeah, and you can pick one depending on the type of the seat post mount of your bicycle. Now we should also have the rubber bands to fix it on our bicycle, and we actually have them here. Okay, so we have, this is a smaller version, so if your post mount is rather thin, you can use the smaller version, and if it's, oh no, it's actually a big version. So here is the small one, as you can see. And here is the larger one. And the last thing that we have here that I already picked out is the USB-C cable, two-sided, so we can connect our device to a computer or to a charger to recharge it or to update software on it. You can also update software using your Varia application on your smartphone. You can also check the video about it on our channel. Now we are left with the instructions for pairing our radar and for charging our radar right here, as well as some short instructions on how to use it inside the application. Okay, on the other side we have the pairing instruction, the mounting instructions, and some warnings about how to install your radar properly. Okay, and then we also have some paperwork with warranty information and, well, some rather not interesting info. Yeah, so that's basically it. That's what inside the box. Thank you for watching this video. If it helped you, please consider subscribing to our channel, leave us a like and a comment below, and I'll see you in the next one.